Tucked away high in Colorado's Front Range, the trail to Chin's Lake is a short but classic off-road adventure. From the base near Alice and St. Mary's Glacier, the road wastes no time climbing, winding through dense pine forest, with rocky sections that keep your rig in 4 low. The trail is bumpy, narrow in places, and scattered with loose rock. But it's approachable for most high clearance 4x4s.
Welcome to the channel, guys. I'm David, and today we are on our way to Chin's Lake, Colorado. It is located in the Winter Park area, a little bit south of there. We've had some nonstop rain in the past week and a half. Thank God this week, today is a Sunday. This is Labor Day weekend, and there's not even one cloud in the sky. I'm on my way from Colorado Springs to meet David and Moshe at the gas station in Dumont, and from there we're gonna continue to the trail, and that's about it. Hopefully we'll have a fun day. I know we will. We're gonna do some obviously off-roading, cooking. This is the first time I'm taking my 2018 Sahara JKU to the trails after doing the gearing and the rear diff lock. So we'll see. We already did the break-in. Everything should be good. We'll see you on the trail.
זהו, שאנחנו ממש עוד שנייה בדד אנד של המסלול.
So the trail itself from Fall River Road up to Chin's Lake is about 3.7, 3.8 miles one way and rising to an elevation of about 11,300 feet. On Onyx Off-Road it says that the difficulty of the trail is 4 out of 10, rated as moderate. The road starts off fairly wide and manageable, passing through residential areas before narrowing and getting rocky. The final 1 to 1.5 miles is rougher and steeper and scattered with boulders, but still doable. High clearance is very important, 4-wheel drive of course, and once you get there, it's just beautiful. You can camp for the day, you can camp overnight, but it's absolutely amazing.
we just finished our trail for today. David is putting back his stabilizer links, sway bar links. It was an amazing trail today. Beautiful. Beautiful country. So David just realized that one of the pins is missing, but it's no big deal. We're gonna use the pins from the towing hitch. Unfortunately, we didn't get to see any wildlife today. I really wanted to, but it is what it is. Next time. Beautiful.